Hey guys, it is LaMeel from LaMeel.com, and I'm here with a wonderful video for you today on being enough. If you have not subscribed to my Monday manifesting mantras over on the fan page with Facebook, do so. Every Monday I send an audio, and actually the whole bot system with Facebook is changing, so you may start getting those messages as text messages. However, for the moment, you can still subscribe and get your Monday mantra over on the Facebook fan page. However, today that mantra it's a really, really powerful mantra, and it really hit home, and I really wanted, so as a result, I wanted to elaborate on it, okay? And today's mantra is, I am enough. And this mantra, like, if you never ever do another mantra with me or anyone ever again in life, if you can make I am enough a part of your belief system, right? So what is a belief? A belief is just a thought that you keep thinking over and over again. So in order for you to be thinking it over and over again, you could be saying it over and over again to yourself. And so thus you create a new belief, right? And when you are thinking about it, you are attracting situations and circumstances and people and ideas and things that prove that very thought to you, right? That's part of the law of attraction. So if your mantra for the week is, I am enough, I am enough, I am enough, and it be to the point where it becomes a new belief for you, then you're gonna always show up and you're gonna always get what you're looking for, because you are enough. You're gonna release yourself from feeling the need to prove yourself. You don't have to worry about, am I worthy? Did I do a good enough job? Am I, offering enough? Did I extend myself? None of that. All of that gets erased because you are enough. However you show up, right, is absolutely enough for what you want, for what you need to manifest. You don't have to prove yourself. You don't have to justify. A lot of us were reared in the idea of needing to justify. So because we were raised that way, we do that as adults, right? I want this because. There doesn't have to be a because. I want it. And I'm enough, and I'm worthy enough to have it. Right? So I don't have to do more to get more love. I'm enough the way that I am. I deserve that love, period. I deserve that relationship. I deserve that job. Why? Because I'm enough. There's no further justifications needed. And when you start living your life that way, from that perspective, things change. And you stop having to strong-arm yourself into getting the things that you want, and you become much more aligned, and the things that you want flow to you, right? I am enough for an amazing relationship. I am enough to be rich, to be free, to be happy, to be, whatever it is that you're desiring to be. You are enough. You came here with everything that you need in you. Everything that you're looking for right now is in you. You are enough. And I hope that this resonates with you. And, don't forget to like this video, because if you do, I will make more regarding our mantras so that I can expound on it. Our audios that you get on Facebook through the subscription are only a few minutes long, and I try to keep it short so that you have something to start your day with and run with the rest of the week. But sometimes they're worthy of a little bit extra, and you being enough is important, right? And if you don't do another mantra this month, I am enough is more than enough. And And I recommend that you do your mantras 52 times a day, every day for the next 7 days, and it is going to change your vibration. It's going to revolutionize your thought process, and it will change things, and more things will start to show up for you because you will start showing up as enough. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell. There'll be videos every day this week. Thank you so much for being part of my community and supporting me, and I will see you tomorrow.